We're going to show you our shop now. Again, we're at Chapter 582 here in Toledo, Ohio.
Come on in out. This is the shop we put together. We're building up tools for. We got a drill mill lathe here.
Grizzly model G9729.
You don't have to have a drill or a mill to build an airplane, but it sure is nice. We have a pretty decent little hardware section there. Some tools along the side. A bench. Drill press, just about everything you need to build a little airplane. So, tell them about what we're building here, Andy.
We're building a light sport aircraft. It's going to be a side-by-side trainer, conventional landing gear, stick and rudder type of flying. We feel that that's the best way to train a pilot. It's going to be basically modeled after a Ronca C3, so it's pretty retro, but we feel it's going to be a simple airplane to build.
And that's one of the major goals, and the one we're focusing on is a minimal airplane.
Minimal airplane. Tube and fabric, so welding skills required.
All metal.
All metal.
Wings aluminum.
We do plan on using not the polyfiber system, but I think the Stewart system is the fabric system. Again, it's a conventional landing gear. We're not going to use the bungee, but we're going to use die springs. We got some pieces we can show here.
Yeah, so it's just before Christmas. How long have we been working on this?
Actually, this project's been going on for several years now. We've
I'd say probably about what? 3 years?
Probably 3 years in the planning stage. We did a lot of solid modeling on the computer and trying to figure out where the CG is going to be. We plan on using an A65 engine, so we had to figure out where we need it.
Continental Piper Cub engine.
Exactly. And actually, we have even been donated engines by some of the membership here at the club.
We have all the tubing we need up there on the wall, the 4130.
We lucked
got that all
out,
bought and paid for.
We lucked out there. We actually found a local supplier for chrome moly steel. The wings are going to be fabric covered as well, and it's going to be aluminum structure inside the wing. We did build up a spar here.
Now tell us about this spar, dude. I call him the dude.
I get, for whatever reason, I'm the dude. And
this is a spar blank.
Right, and this is going to be a built-up spar, and
not much to look at right now.
Not much to look at, but the piece that we have here, and it's something that you don't see commonly done in experimental airplanes, is an actual test done on the wing, and we're going to actually build the wing and load it up to failure.
Destructive testing, DT.
Right. So we'll have some experience. We'll at least have the comfort in knowing that the wing can hold the required load.
Andy here, he's a mathematician. He can add, subtract, multiply, divide, and he's going to predict exactly when this wing is going to fail.
Right.
So that'll be the subject of a future video, and we'll all have to tune in and see how close the dude comes to predicting the failure. And we're going to do a destructive failure test on that. Anything else?
Well, here's our, we call this our project board, and this is where we're going to be.
I was talking about in relation to the wing.
Yeah. Well, anything else regarding the wing, yeah, we're going to test it to failure. But here's our project board, is where we're going to be storing our pieces as we build them. We got quite a few pieces already built up. Here we got the horizontal, the back flippers, as we like to call them.
I call them the back
elevator, the horizontal. Looking up on the wall over there, you can see we got the rudder already built up, and then the vertical. Bill's pretty experienced when it comes to welding. If you look at some of these welds look really nice.
So far. So that's it. Basically, we're just getting started on this. We hope everybody tunes into our, we got a blog and a forum. We're going to post videos as this project moves along, keep everybody informed. We'll see how it all turns out.